I'm so glad to have my car back, y'all. It's been gone for a minute. Y'all know that though, because it's been a while since I posted an update. Y'all see that new windshield had to get. And y'all, all right, y'all. But yeah, so when it comes to the AC, y'all, AC and heat, still got to figure it out. Still not quite right. So we're working on that. But at least able to enjoy and get some ride time in, especially while it's warm. It's the summertime, so I've been really wanting to ride in it. So I'm super glad just to have it back. I said I just ride in it, and then we can go from there and see what we need to do to get the wiring situated, you know, for the AC and heat. But other than that though, y'all may see that sign, AutoZone. Yes, we're AutoZone right now. Justin went inside because I need some windshield wipers, and it looks like it's gonna start by raining. So we had to come and get those, make a quick stop. But we had to make a quick stop here and pick up the windshield wipers. Then we gonna head on and take it to the house. But I had to show y'all that, I had to show y'all the car. I finally got it back, and I can do some riding in the meantime, you know, on a pretty day though, because it looks ugly out here today, y'all. It does. But with that said, y'all, stay tuned. So we got it right here in the driveway. Let me turn around so y'all can see it right here. We got Justin out here. We about to I told him, y'all, I said, you sure you want to wait a little bit longer? Y'all know I be extra cautious.
It's over. Oh, she did great all the way down. Right like a charm, but I believe it's a little low on water, because y'all know Aunt just changed the heater core and all that stuff. So, I don't think it was topped out, had no water in it. It didn't run hot till I got right here and was sitting still. So, she ain't got the pressure release cap.
Yeah, I gotta get that.
So it was bubbling a little bit, but it already calmed down. It can't be too hot. But if you know, you know. If you know, you know. You don't take this joke out. I learned from experience. I had a 9100 core. I took that joke out. It shot. I'm talking about it knocked the cap there high in the air.
That's what I said. You sure still though? You don't want
to. Yeah, you gotta know how to do it.
That's what I said. You sure you don't want to wait?
When you're on the side of the road, and you got to do this.
Well, yeah.
Well, she's scared. Ain't no pressure. It didn't get that hot.
You said it did?
If it did, you would have saw that stinks. When it real hot, it'll keep bubbling. See, it was a little fluid. If it real hot, it'll just keep boiling.
Oh, okay.
So it didn't get real hot to where it's gonna damage something. I mean, it just low on water. Y'all see she got everything new. All the new system, new heater box, everything over there new. Heater core, accumulator, dryer, new vacuum canister for the heat, new condenser, everything.
Thank God, y'all, because I really don't know everything.
Yeah, she don't know the AC system.
No.
But it still got to be charged, and he didn't get time to do the wiring, so all the hardware was installed basically. And then we're gonna make sure she topped off. Yeah, she was low. That's all it was. We don't have to worry about this again. But when you're taking the heater core and stuff off, of course, some fluid gonna escape. You see how low it was?
Yes.
Only reason they run hot going down the road, y'all, because you got airflow and the engine running at a higher speed. Because she taking a lot of water.
Yes.
Well, antifreeze, I should say. Can't have white from running hot.
No, y'all, we don't want that.
But now
this, hurry up and call you in a second then.
You know this is a good car though. This car ain't no
I say, oh right, this car really do run good.
She got a new engine. I know it don't look like it. I know the engine don't look like it. We ain't getting into that.
No.
But it is a new engine. The engine don't even have 10,000 miles on it. Cause I know everybody on your channel might not watch my channel. She got some of her own subscribers too. But it is a new engine, I promise you. We bought it brand new. It does not have 10,000 miles on it. It's just...
Yes, y'all. So I ain't ready to ride.
Yeah, we're gonna have an AC going. She got new windshield. The trim got new window trim, but it's just not on the car. What else? It's a lot of stuff. New tent.
Yeah.
I think you showed my it.
Yeah, showed the tent.
Shout out to Rick on the AC line. He gave the AC line and condenser.
Yes, we really appreciate that.
Well, much love to Rick.
I don't know, we needed that.
But she got everything else new. I guess Unc decided he wanted to paint the new the new dryer. He got happy with the paint. Nah, Unc like the paint for real. And I just gotta hook her hose back up, the other one in the car. I did this when I found out her heater core was leaking to bypass it. Man, this crazy old engine, man. This a brand new engine. It's
y'all brand new.
I'm gonna buy her a new one.
It just don't, like you say, it got something big on my leg.
It looked different. it did look different at one point in time.
Yes.
So.
Well, we good. Like that say, y'all, it runs good. Runs good.
Like,
but yeah.
Tell them for long, this one ain't be in here. Oh, it's gonna look new. It's gonna look different.
Got something that's coming soon, so y'all gotta stay tuned.
You need some pressure in this thing. Right.
Yeah, but hey, that's it right there. Like I said, finally got Emma back home. Finally.
I love the front end though. Look at this.
Hold on, let me back.
Front end look gangster.
Yes. See y'all.
Pretty.
Can't say that don't look good for real.
That front end is pretty.
So y'all know I'm ready to ride. It's been a while, so.
Yeah, you can pull it up.
All right. But yeah, y'all, let me pull the car up and y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm outside today, y'all. Day 2. I just got the Monte Carlo back yesterday. So today, I got to take it for a ride, y'all. I got to run to town, run a few errands. So, but what better way just to jump in the MC. I mean, like I said yesterday, you know, the AC is not working right now, but it's not that hot out here. I mean, it is supposed to rain, so I'm gonna hurry up and go because before it start raining too much, because I don't want to burn up with my windows up. But it's all good. I mean, it feels pretty good out here right now. But I definitely, it's been going a long time, y'all, so I definitely want to get some drive time. I really do. I'm very, 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 very happy to have the MC back, and so definitely got to get some miles in for right now. So what I'm about to do, y'all, I'm gonna run some errands, driving the MC right now, then gonna bring it back to the house. So stay tuned. So I made it. All right, y'all. So I made it to my first destination. First, I got to get me something to drink, y'all. I got to grab me a loaded tea, y'all. Haven't had one in a while. I kind of been taking a break from it. But I got to cool off, so I need that. I really need one today. Some people like Starbucks. Oh, let me change it. Some people like Starbucks. I don't like Starbucks, y'all. Not saying. I'm just not a fan of it. But I like my loaded teas. But I had to take a break from them. A lot of things I've been taking a break from, but I'm getting one today. I'm gonna grab one. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to head in there and get that, y'all. But y'all see, I made it safely to my destination, y'all. It's just such a I love this car, y'all. Y'all just don't know. I say it all the time, and y'all gonna continue to hear me say that, y'all. I really do. But it's a good day, y'all. It's a good day for me. I hope it's a good day for y'all. I hope everyone is having a good day. And if you're not, I see I'm starting to sweat a little bit. I have to let the window look, somebody get out. But if you're not having a good day, I really hope that your day it gets better, y'all. Don't let anything, try not to let anything bring you down. Have a good day, y'all. Yeah, just word of encouragement for me, for you guys. But yeah, y'all, but let me hop out and get this, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I got what I needed, y'all. Looks good, don't it, y'all? So refreshing. Whew, y'all, that's so refreshing in this warm summer day. It is, y'all, so refreshing though, for real. But it's on, about to crank Emma up, and we about to do some more driving, do what I gotta do before I get to the house. I swear it seemed like I was feeling little sprinkles dropping, but I hope it hold off. Like I say, if not, it's all good. I'm just gonna be hot. But it's all good though right now, y'all, so stay tuned. It's like, it's crazy because like whenever I go into the aquatic center, you know, you see a lot of older people working out, meaning in the water though. You got a lot of people that's old that I see that are that exercise every day, y'all. I've gone walking sometimes you can pass by the same people and they're getting it in. And I feel that, you know, that motivates me because I'm seeing somebody older than me, way older than me, out there exercise, by walking or running or in the gym. Like when we recently went to Myrtle Beach for vacation, man, we saw so many older. When I say, I mean, because they're older than us, you know. And then, like, it's like, man, you can't. That's just nothing but motivation, y'all. Nothing but motivation. When I see other people, period, exercising, man, you know, salute to the people that's, you know, trying to do better when it comes to their health, you know, because like I say, I try to do the same thing, but y'all, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I made it back to the house and good old Emma. Yeah, y'all, made it back, y'all. Y'all got to see me ride. It's been a long time. Like I say, car been gone for a few months, but back at it, y'all. Back at it. Definitely. Like I've mentioned previously, we got a lot to do to this car still. It's a project. It's definitely a project. I'm just glad that we got it where, you know, to the point that I can ride in. I definitely got some changes coming. Definitely got some changes coming. If you remember from yesterday, like I said earlier in the video, like Justin said, got some changes coming to this engine, y'all. So be on the lookout. Got lots of more. Still got to get this done right here, y'all. All that, you know, interior, whatnot. Y'all already know. Still got to get that done. That's just, we're gonna get it did. Definitely gonna get it did. Like I say, it's just The ants, y'all, these ants tearing me up. These ants tearing me up today. But inside to the outside of this car, I got a lot to do, but definitely go enjoy it in the meantime. But y'all, stay tuned, stay tuned. I will be doing more updates. I will be doing more updates now. Y'all be seeing a few more videos pertaining to this car, so be on the lookout. With that said, y'all, it's starting to thunder. I'm about to take it in. Enjoy the rest of y'all day. Stay tuned to Days with Kendra, and thank you for tuning in to Days Kendra. That's a wrap, and I'm out.